It starts with a sneeze. Just a little cold, right? But when ignored, it can quickly turn into fever or chest infection. Your lungs are sensitive. Even a mild flu can make breathing hard. So don't wait. Stay warm, stay clean, and get an early checkup. Cough and cold aren't always simple. Protect your lungs this winter with expert care at Jeevan Rekha Hospital, Raiganj.